What a gorgeous day here in downtown Merritt, British Columbia. Mike Martin's here with the Mike Martin's channel. Thanks for joining and being part of the channel, liking and subscribing. I'm losing my words here. Anyways, so this is the fourth message I got, and I've experienced it myself. So I got a message here from Mike. Mike is a guest, comes on Mike in the Night. He's doing some homesteading. He comes on our live show, Mike in the Night, live on Odyssey. And he sent me this message via Skype. And I'm going to tell you my story and a couple other emails I got too. Hey, Mike, get this. My wife just called me at work and told me she went to the bank machine and wanted to withdraw cash. But she can't withdraw. Only option are account balance and exit. So she went to the bank and asked what, he swears here, is going on with the green machine. Bank teller told her that the bank didn't get enough physical money to fill the bank machine. Did you hear something like this somewhere else here in Canada? Well, I did. The other day, I was in another town last week, and I wanted to pick up some cash myself. So I stopped at the one bank machine, and it was out of service. Okay, the bank machine, there's no other bank machine beside it. Okay, so I left. I went to another bank. And there was a notice on there saying deposits, balance only, and transfers only, no cash. So, and I've gotten emails from people saying that they have issues getting cash or finding cash because money velocity is an issue. You're not going to see a lot of money out there because more and more people, again, we made that video before anyone else did. I'm not trying to toot my horn, but no one saw it anyway. It was basically that Canadians would be withdrawing money in full force with no confidence in government. And that's why they were laying the digital groundwork. And that's why they're working hard to get the digital currency out there so that we can't withdraw it in cash and use it privately. They want to federalize us. They want to know exactly where we're spending our money with, who we're spending our money with, and where it's going. And the Trudeau government has made it very clear many times he needs to know where money is being spent. Right? So this is something that's happening. It's happened in Australia where they've taken and removed bank machines physically and closed bank branches, making it harder for people to do their banking, right? And they're trying to move everything online as banks start raising interest rates. And I think they're doing this for maybe to protect themselves, so to say, because once they raise interest rates a few more percent, a lot of people will start defaulting and a lot of people will start turning against the banks, right? And blaming the banks. So they're, I think, in progress of protecting themselves with removing locations, bank machines, and having staff work from home. Even though they're making these incredible amount of profits, they're still going to be closing down things. So money in bank machines, they've been laying the groundwork for years here, basically keeping us off the currency, the physical currency, because that's probably going to be the last resort. Once we go fully digital, that's when they own us. They'll know everything we buy, everything we transfer, everything we receive. They'll know everything. They'll totally own us. And a lot of people's like, well, Mike, I'm not into any contraband or illegal this or illegal that. What does it matter to me? It matters a lot. And you'll start feeling the pain once we go fully digital. And they start tying it to our digital credit score. We've been talking about this on here for years. So let me know. I got this from Mike. Is it happening in Canada? It happened to me last week. I haven't gone here locally in town to withdraw cash, so I don't know. But I'll keep you guys posted. Let me know in your neck of the woods if this is happening. And if so, it's happening. Tell us where you're at and why you're having money issues, money velocity. Are they making enough money to cover? They're not. I think for let's say there's $1 billion in digital money all over the world, right? Let's say there's $1 billion in money all over the world, $1 billion in money. I only think that 10 million of it would be cash out of that $1 billion in existence. I think that's how small the ratio is. I think the cash to digital ratio is less than 10%. I think it's like 8% cash to digital ratio. And when people scramble to get cash, it's going to be tough. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Links to other videos that we made in the past. Look forward to seeing you guys on Mike in the Night this Saturday on Odyssey. And looking forward to taking your call-ins. We'll see you on the flip side. Mike Martin's here. I have spoken.